Founded in June 2006, CNCOB is located in Dongguan, Guangdong, the World Factory, situated in an expansive industrial park spanning over 41,000 square meters. CNCOB's commitment to quality is evident throughout our 600-member team. From production to sales, each team member highly regards product quality to ensure 100% customer satisfaction. The company produces and sells well-known brand CNCOB microinverters, solar panels, MC4-related products. CNCOB has constructed a comprehensive manufacturing value chain encompassing R&D, mold design, mold fabrication, precision metal stamping, plastic injection, automatic assembly, and automated packing, which guarantees stable product quality and swift delivery. Demonstrating our commitment to innovation, we allocate 5% of our annual revenue to R&D, ensuring that our technology consistently leads the market. Dedicated to quality assurance, CNCOB maintains an internal testing lab certified by CNAS. From the sampling stage through material and functional testing, we ensure compliance with customer requirements. CNCOB aims to be global leader in distributed photovoltaic and energy storage solutions for all scenarios. Our end products have been sold to many countries and regions around the world. Our products have passed UL, ROHS, CSA, CE, SGS, ETL, RCM, GHMT, EC, and other international certifications, and CNCOB has obtained certifications such as ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, and IATF 16949 certificate. We will continue to strengthen cooperation with well-known enterprises at home and abroad.